chicken. Catch him. It's few months later. Okay, guys, I'm gonna back in the channel. The chicken is so delicious. I even cook it. Look, I killed this one and I see the chicken. I'm gonna eat it raw.